Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. So in today's video we will learn how to create this typography effect in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get start the video. First we fill the gradient in the background. Then go to the type tool and type your text. Increase this text size. Then adjust it into center. After that insert your PNG. Then right click on this layer and add make clipping mask. Press Ctrl plus J to make copy. Then add a layer mask. Press Ctrl plus I to invert. Then go to the brush tool and select hard brown brush. Make sure foreground color is white and start brushing. If you make any mistake while brushing, then simply change the foreground color and correct your mistakes. Then select the text layer and fill with gradient. Go to the blue folder and select your gradient style. You are also customize these gradient colors. That's it. Here is your final result. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Lies your mind.